the way he said it, it was interesting. I was like, we get it, man. Well, I'm waiting for the documentary too. Just like you, it'd be a hell of a documentary. That's why
Yani
everything, anytime I see someone in the news,
uzun
my
documentary.
wife and I would nudge each other like, can't wait for that documentary. You know, every time, like, that's gonna be a badass
What?
documentary. The submarine
Are
thing,
you
you
okay?
know that's coming out.
What?
It's already out.
What over there?
They made it already.
So the dog's
God,
looking
who's
at.
editing that?
What?
God, who's editing these documentaries? It's like we don't even know yet. Just do it. Just make it. We're gonna come up with two endings. A really joyful ending, and then one where that
So
guy's
cute.
giving the speech. Do you guys watch that guy's speech? The guy for the Coast Guard? There was a catastrophic implosion, which that's not like, you know what that reminds me? It reminds me when I was a kid and I'd watch the news and I didn't know big words. And that doesn't explain what happened. Because that's like, if I was a kid and I listened to catastrophic implosion, I'd be like, so are they alive